young people, mentoring, volunteering, or even coming together for funding support. And we invite all of you to come be a part of the hackathon as well. It's happening from 27 to the 31st at the Quest Learning Observatory. So please come, meet the students, meet our partners, and be a part of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrata. Now we have a very special guest. Welcome Tejas. She is one of our student participants from Karnataka. She is in 9th standard from Moraji Desai Residential School in Mysore. She'll share her experience of working on her prototype and how it has impacted her growth and learning journey. She might be speaking in Kannada. Would request if people need translations to please reach out to the team. Welcome Tejas.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ, 9ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮೊರಾರ್ಜಿ ದೇಸಾಯಿ ಮಾದರಿ ವಸತಿ ಶಾಲೆ, ಎಸ್.ಎಸ್. ಕೋಟೆ, ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ನಂತರ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನೇ ಕಾರಣ. ಏನಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂವಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿದು ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಾವು ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು ಮಿಸ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಮಿಸ್, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋದೆ. ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ 5 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಈ ನಾವು ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಇದು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 5 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೋಟೈಪ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಟೋಟೈಪ್, ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್.
Indialis. So today I'm here to speak a few things about how and why, what made me to take the initiative to support my students to participate in hackathon. Maybe because of my own personal experience, bad experiences, etc. I wanted my students to be aware of the technology. So hackathon is giving them a very good opportunity to learn new techniques related to artificial intelligence or IoT and even programming, etc. Along with that, while these students are working in teams, they are developing their self-confidence, they are understanding what the problem is, they are trying to take initiative to solve problems and make use of the proper usage of the technology in terms of internet or maybe even the available resources, etc. Before at government schools, the students were having a lack of resources.
Parthi, I am the director of the schools program at Quest Alliance. We are here to talk about our event which is Hack to the Future, which is happening from 27 January to 31st Jan in Quest Learning Observatory. The event is bringing together 55 students from 5 different states: Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha and Jharkhand. The students will be going through a design thinking process where they will identify a problem from their local communities. They'll be building a solution using advanced technology like AI and Internet of Things, and they'll be coding solutions. So they'll be bringing a lot of software and hardware solutions together. We'll have a total of 11 projects that students will be working on. Some of the examples of the projects are like one group of students in Karnataka from the residential schools. They have monkeys which enter their school and disrupt their classes, disrupt the ration which is kept there for midday meals. So they are trying to build a camera and a sound sensor which can detect the monkey while it's entering the campus and generate a sound to scare it away. We have a project where students are trying to install an alarm-based sensor inside cars. So when the driver starts falling asleep, it can detect that from their movement and can raise an alarm inside the car. So we have a lot of such solutions which students have thought about. They'll be showcasing it to the larger ecosystem. In the process, they have built a lot of skills. One, they have built a lot of confidence in using technology to solve problems. They have started believing that they can actually solve problems and they have the ability to do that. They have also built skills of collaboration, communication. You heard the student talk so confidently amongst a large audience as well. And along with that, we'll also have role model interaction. So we have women role models who are working in the field of STEM come and share their career journeys with students, how they have overcome gender barriers. So the girls can get inspired and would want to pursue some of these journeys for themselves as well. So that's broadly the event.
Thank you. Thank you.